Testing of IC engine. Morse key test. IP per cycle is equal to I, BP per cycle is equal to B, FP per cycle is equal to F. For 4-cylinder working, 4i plus 4i is equal to 4b plus 4f. If 3 cylinders working one by one, then 3i is equal to 3b plus 4f. Friction for all cylinders because all it also connected to the shaft. First cylinder 3b1, second cylinder 3b2, third 3b3, fourth 3b4. Finally 3b is equal to 3b1 plus 3b2 plus 3b3 plus 3b4 by 4. Now 3i is equal to 3b plus 4f. I is equal to 4b minus 3b. 4i is equal to 4 into 4b minus 3b. Eta m is equal to 4b by 4i. Let us consider 4-cylinder engine. Also let IP per cycle is equal to I, BP per cycle is equal to B. Let initial the engine is tested with the dynamometer for all 4 working cylinders. The BP will be obtained from 4 working cylinder. We have 4 cylinder. 4i is equal to 4b plus 4f. Later the engine is tested by cutting the different single cylinder engine at a time. 4 different readings will be obtained for 3 working cylinders. If these readings are 3b1, 3b2, 3b3 and 3b4, then average of these readings will be 3b is equal to 3b1 plus 3b2 plus 3b3 plus 3b4 by 4. We then have for 3 working cylinders 3i is equal to 3b plus 4f. 1 minus 2, it gives I is equal to 4b minus 3b. Then indicated power for entire engine 4 cylinder for ip is equal to 4i is equal to 4 into 4b minus 3b. Therefore mechanical efficiency time is equal to 4b by 4i. Depending on given data, any other unknown value can be determined. The following point are to be noted: 4b not equal to 4 into b, 4b minus 3b not equal to b, 4b minus 3b not equal to 3b minus 2b. Motoring test, ff is equal to a plus bv square. Frictional power equal to motor power. The following point must be noted: speed of engine recorded during Morse key test. The speed engine must be put off before starting motoring test. Motor is then attached to the engine shaft. One off on starting the motor. The speed of motor must be same and the speed of engine during Morse key test. The key input to the motor will then be equal to frictional power of engine. If the mechanical efficiency of motor is given, Pf frictional power equal to Pm into eta m is equal to motor. Pm is motor power, eta m is efficiency of motor. Supercharger, rotary compressor or centrifugal compressor. Rotary compressor or centrifugal compressor. Air is compressed. This is supercharger. Supercharger. Air fuel ratio is equal to Ma by Mf. This is turbocharger. We use turbine. Exhaust turbocharger. Supercharger is a rotary compressor. It is attached to the it is attached before cylinder in a diesel engine and before carburetor in petrol engine. In on using supercharger, mass of air circulated is more. The final pressure of total supercharging is 1.5 times to 2 times than the entry of pressure. Supercharger is of two different types. If in one supercharger the engine shaft drives supercharger, in another supercharger the exhaust gas from engine drives a turbine and turbine drives the supercharger. Such a supercharger is known as turbocharger. Difference between two-stroke and four-stroke petrol engine. In a two-stroke engine, one cycle is completed in one rotation of shaft. For four-stroke, two rotations are needed for completion of cycle. The two valves of four-stroke are replaced by three three different ports in two-stroke engine. In a two-stroke engine, the lubricating oil will mix with petrol before entering the fuel tank. For four-stroke, the lubrication oil is taken separately and not mixed with fuel. For a single cylinder engine, flywheel for a two-stroke engine is smaller than that of four-stroke engine. It is reversed when there are four cylinders for the two-stroke engine and four-stroke engine. Flywheel is used to store energy. The transfer port and exhaust port open at same time in a two-stroke engine. Thus, some AFM will escape out of the exhaust port from a two-stroke engine, due to which mileage of two-stroke engine is much less than that of four-stroke engine. Due to larger surface area, the radiation heat loss is more in a two-stroke engine than four-stroke engine. In two-stroke engine, lubrication oil enters the combustion chamber along with fuel. Some of these lubricating particle undergoes combustion, hence less lubricating oil will be available for piston stroke. After combustion, friction will be more, hence output will be reduced. Due to various disadvantages, all the two-stroke engine on the roads are being replaced by a four-stroke engine. Example, 50cc engine, two-stroke Luna TVS. Three piston rings on piston rings, brittle material made of silica cast iron. Cast iron is rough, so we use silica cast iron. Ring, brittle material to fit easily in the gap. For cylinder, aluminum alloy by casting. Connecting rod and crank, strong material. It is called forged steel, made by forging. For shaft, high speed steel. Following points should be remembered. The piston rings are made of silicon cast iron. The cylinder and piston material is cast aluminum alloy. The connecting rod and crank rod is manufactured from forged steel. The engine shaft is made from high speed steel, HSS. Difference between petrol and diesel engine, SI and CI engine. Ignition should take place at lesser temperature for petrol engine. For this purpose, a spark plug is necessary. For diesel engine, low temperature will result in knocking, thus high temperature are necessary for ignition of fuel in a diesel engine. Diesel engine do not have spark plug. The high temperature required for a diesel engine to ignite the fuel is called self-ignition temperature. The minimum temperature needed for ignition of fuel in presence of burner is known as the flash point temperature. The minimum temperature needed for the ignition to continue after removing the burns is known as fire point temperature. It is thus clear that sparking in SI engine should take place in continuous form. Flash point to fire point temperature. The self ignition temperature is much above the fire point temperature. For a carbureted petrol engine, the air and fuel get mixed inside the carburetor and then enter into engine cylinder. There is no carburetor in diesel engine, and also for petrol engine fitted with a microprocessor. Such an engine is known as electric fuel injection engine, EFI engine. For a separate entry of fuel in the case of diesel engine and an EFI engine, a nozzle, also known as an injector, is provided. Fuel enters in diesel engine at the end of compression stroke and during last stage of suction in an EFI engine. Electronic fuel injection is introduced for petrol engine to regulate the fuel immediately according to changing local load condition. This will result in a good saving in fuel. Heat addition takes place at constant pressure in case of diesel engine and at constant volume in case of petrol engine. For same compression ratio, the efficiency of petrol engine is higher than that of diesel engine, but this is theoretical. In practical, the efficiency of diesel engine is 1.5 to 2 times more than that of petrol engine. Hence, efficiency of diesel engine is higher. For diesel engine, the compression ratio is between 16 to 20, and for petrol engine, it is between 6 to 10. Cruising speed AF for 16 for petrol engine, AIF for 25 to 35 for diesel engine. Operations idling AIF ratio 12 to 12.5, cruising or normal 16 to 16.5, maximum power range 12 to 13, transient operation starting 3 to 5. Combustion of IC engine. Lower calorific value LCV, air O2 N2 by mass 23% and 77%, by volume 21% and 79%. Air ideal combustion N2 H2O CO2 exhaust gases CH2 will combine with oxygen and release fuel plus fuel hydrocarbon plus O2 gives rise to CO2 plus H2O. When the steam in exhaust gas is left off freely, then the total heat available due to combustion of 1 kg of fuel is known as lower calorific value. The calorific value of fuel for IC engine is lower calorific value. We don't use steam. Higher calorific value when the steam in exhaust gas is condensed to water and the heat of combustion is utilized for useful working. The calorific value of fuel is known as higher calorific value. The calorific value for fuel for a stationary power plant is a HCV, higher calorific value, as we use steam. Stoichiometric air fuel ratio when a combustion of air and fuel takes place in such a manner that there is no free oxygen left, nor is any fuel remaining in any form after combustion, is known as ideal or perfect combustion. The AFR for such combustion is known as stoichiometric air fuel ratio. Stoichiometric air fuel ratio by mass 13.4 to 15, by volume 9 to 9.6. Actual combustion air excess 10 to 25%, O2, O2, CH, O2, NOx, N2, HC, CO2, CO pollutant, HC pollutant, NOx pollutant. Pollutant CO poisonous, causes giddiness when taken in small quantities. Sometimes can also be fatal. HC form photochemical smog when exposed to atmosphere. It causes skin cancer and affects the lungs. Also affects plants and animals. NOx is the form when temperature of the charge is very high. Other requirements are available for availability of free oxygen or incomplete combustion of fuel. When NOx is exposed to atmosphere, the effects are same as HC. Besides, there is formation of ozone O3 at ground level. It is harmful to the extent even underwater creatures are affected. EGR, exhaust gas recirculation. EGR is a process that the exhaust gas is recirculated and mixed with fresh AFM that is escaping out of the outlet valve during the valve overlap. During this recirculation, the temperature of exhaust gas decreases, and due to which NOx will transform into NO and NO2. Method of reducing pollutants slightly excess air, minimum 10%. Slightly lesser compression ratio, T decreases. Use of thermal converter. It is placed in the path of exhaust gas absorbed air from outside. Temperature of thermal converter is higher. It convert HC and CO into H2 and CO2. Thus thermal converter is known as two-way converter. Use of catalytic converter: palladium CO to CO2, platinum Hc to H2O and CO2 oxidation, rhodium NOx to N2 and O2 reduction. Consists of stainless steel box. It has alumina inside in the form of honeycomb. honeycomb has palladium, platinum, and rhodium as catalytic agent. Offset operators measure CO2, CO, O2, N2 from a flue gas sample. Unsaturated hydrocarbon volumetric analysis, flue gas CO2, CO, O2, N2. Equivalence ratio, fuel air ratio is equal to MF by MA. It is ratio of fuel, it is ratio of FAR under the actual condition to FAR under ideal condition, that is psychometric. Pi is equal to actual FAR by psychometric FAR is equal to actual MF by MA by ideal MF by MA. Pi is equal to actual MF by ideal MF. When pi is less than 1, there will be shortage of fuel, less energy will be liberated from the fuel, the temperature rise will be less, our power output will be less, for petrol engine knocking will be less. When pi greater than 1, the fuel, the supply will be excess, temperature of charge will be more high, the power available will be more. For petrol engine, knocking will be high. Pi greater than or equal to 1.5, less power, no knocking, unburned fuel, less air to burn fuel. Combustion in SI engine. Spark, ignition starts, sparking stop, ignition stop. Delta P directly proportional to theta. Delta P is equal to K theta, Y is equal to mx. Theoretical diagram: P theta, compression increases, heat addition again increases, expansion decreases linearly. First stage of combustion, second stage of combustion, third stage of combustion. 180 degrees, 360 degrees. PD greater than PA, PD less than PB. Circle 160 degrees, 172 to 180. Ignition 190 to 220 degrees. Theoretical diagram for three-stage combustion. Actual diagram, P theta increases and then decreases like this. Piston movement as shaft rotates. TDS special varying pressure change according to piston movement. A to A only compression. A to A only compression. Normally increase in pressure. A to B first stage of combustion only sparking, high increase in pressure. B to T second stage of combustion, very high increase in pressure. T to C second stage of combustion, gradual increase in combustion. T to D third stage of combustion, drop in pressure, ignition only. First stage of combustion, atomizing or throttling, swirling action, vortex flow. Chemical reaction occurs, heat dissipated in diffusion or for during heat dissipation, temperature will not rise. When the spark contacts some area of fuel particle, chemical reaction begins. The chemical reaction begins in this area. Heat is generated, then spread to other area of fuel. Chemical action begin in the other area also. There is a rise in temperature of the fuel. Some heat gets stored in all the different areas. There is propagation of nucleus of the area in which chemical action taking place. If the temperature of fuel particle is below the self-ignition temperature at the end of chemical action of the entire fuel, the fuel particle does not burn and will be in circulation along with gas until exhaust. At the end of chemical action of the temperature of the fuel particle is equal to or above the self-ignition temperature, then there is distribution of heat collector in different areas of fuel. There is no change in temperature during this. The heat distribution when equal to amount of heat gets collected in equal different areas of fuel particle, then the fuel gets ignited. The time taken from beginning of chemical action to the beginning of fuel ignition is known as chemical lag. For petrol engine, chemical lag is known as ignition lag. The first stage of combustion or the chemical lag is known as preparatory phase. Flame front and the charge projection of flame front due to sparking the nearby fuel particle gets ignited. The imaginary line joining ignited fuel particle is defined as flame front. After deformation of first flame front, the heat travel from flame front to the nearby fuel particle, and another flame front is formed. By in the meantime, the fuel particle in earlier flame front gets completely burnt, and this flame front vanishes. It will appear in that the previous flame front has only reached the new position. The imaginary movement of flame front is known as propagation of flame front. And charge, the air the air fuel mixture at opposite end of flame front propagation is known as end charge. The following thermodynamic event takes place for end charge during flame front propagation. During flame front propagation, the air particle nearby the flame front expands and compresses the end charge. Temperature of end charge increases due to continuous increase in temperature of end charge. Chemical action begins for end charge. Temperature of end charge increases further. There is heat transfer from flame front to the end charge. Temperature of end charge continues to increase further. The temperature of end charge becomes equal to or above the self ignition temperature. A separate flame front form at the end of charge. The two flame front move in opposite direction and collide with one another. This collision is known as detonation. The following are disadvantages of detonation. Normal combustion A to P theta, detonation after ignition AV, abnormal combustion. When detonation takes place, a wave developed at the point of collision. This wave travel at a very high speed of about 2500 to 5000 cycle per second. If this wave hit the piston then starts moving sideways and knock against the cylinder. Thus, detonation and knocking are the same. Due to knocking, a crack may be developed in the piston or the cylinder. Due to knocking, a loud metallic sound heard known as pinging. Thus, detonation or knocking is also known as pinging. Mechanical vibration are set up inside engine due to knocking. There is loss of work. Temperature time graph during chemical action of fuel. Temperature time A1, B1, C1, self-ignition temperature, unborn fuel particle, unborn hydrocarbon. During chemical action of fuel particle A1, it is found that rise in temperature and the time combustion and the time consumption is given by straight line. At the end of chemical action, the temperature is below self-ignition temperature, point B1 in the figure. This fuel particle will remain unburned and is known as unburned hydrocarbon. This UBHC particle will be in circulation with the gases. Temperature decreases as the temperature will be lower down from the gases during expansion. After combustion, the lowering of temperature with time is also found to be straight line. At one stage, this fuel particle will be exhausted out of engine cylinder. Temperature and A2 B2 when temperature equal to self-ignition temperature. A2 B2 when temperature is more than A3 B2 and temperature more than self-ignition temperature. B2 C2 heat dissipation time. No increase in temperature. Figure 2 shows the temperature of fuel particle A2 being equal to self-ignition temperature at the end of chemical action. For other fuel particles, A3 the temperature above the self-ignition temperature at end of chemical reaction. It may be seen from the diagram the chemical lag for a particle A2 is more than that of A3. It is thus evident that higher the temperature of fuel particle above self-ignition temperature, lesser will be chemical delay. In SI engine, it is obvious that if temperature of end charge reaches the temperature above self-ignition temperature, the chemical lag of fuel particle in end charge will be much less and a separate flame front will be definitely formed in the end charge and detonation will take place. It is thus clear that temperature of end charge in SI engine must be less to avoid knocking. Factors affecting detonation in SI engine. Compression ratio. Higher compression ratio will result in higher temperature of charge. Tendency to detonate will increase in this region. The compression ratio for SI engine is kept as low as possible between 6 to 10. The effect will be same when the inlet valve temperature is higher or supercharging is used. On using supercharger, an intercooler must be provided. Increasing the load or power will result in more supply of fuel, more energy will be released, the temperature of charge will be higher, thus petrol engine must be run as less load condition. Advancing the spark will result in more duration of spark, more energy will receive by the charge, temperature will be higher, and thus sparking should not be advanced. Sparking may be retarded. Distance of flame front. Distance covered by flame front must be such a way that time taken by it should be less than chemical lag of end charge. For this purpose, cylinder diameter of SI engine is to be restricted to a maximum of 15 cm. Location of spark plug. Two spark plug placed opposite to the center line. The spark plug must be located nearest to the center and away from inlet valve. The reason is that if inlet valve temperature is higher, then knocking in SI engine will increase. Higher engine speed. Increasing the speed will result in turbulence being set up for flame front. The flame front will reach end charge faster in all directions. The tendency to knock will decrease. Thus, ideal combination to prevent detonation in SI engine is a high speed and low load. Air fuel ratio, C equivalent ratio pi. Quality of fuel, standard fuel, isooctane, zero knock, normal and heptane, readily knocking. To determine the quality of fuel, it is compared with a standard fuel in lab. The standard fuel is a mixture of two other fuel. One is isooctane zero knock and other is normal heptane readily knock. If octane in mixture is 70%, that matches the knock quality of petrol, then petrol is said to have an octane number 70. Higher the octane number, better is the quality of petrol. In India, octane number of petrol available is between 70 to 80. For special quality fuel like extra premium speed, the octane number is between 90 to 94. Combustion in CI engine, diesel engine. 4 stages of suction. First stage, second stage, third stage, fourth stage. Less speed, more speed, more speed, less speed. Total air mixing of air will not occur because pressure is maintained. First stage, air, that high temperature heat to fuel. The temperature at start of first stage of combustion, end of compression will be close to self-ignition temperature. Less air is circulated during first stage of combustion, hence fuel supply during fuel spray is also very less. When air is crossing the fuel spray, the air and fuel particle will be physically in contact with one another for some time. This time taken is known as physical delay. Thus, for diesel engine, ignition delay is equal to physical delay plus chemical delay. Since temperature of the combustion chamber is close to self-ignition temperature, the chemical delay will be longer. The first stage of combustion is known as delay period. The temperature of combustion chamber at the end of first stage of combustion will be above self-ignition temperature. Second stage of combustion, plenty of air under circulation, hence mass of fuel supplied during fuel spray is also in also large quantity. The temperature of the combustion chamber during second stage of combustion is above positive self ignition temperature. Since large mass of air under circulation, hence air crosses the fuel spray in different batches. Due to high temperature of combustion chamber, combustion takes place for all different batches of air fuel mixture faster in combustion in this manner till last batch of AFM, then combustion is said to be normal or smooth. On other hand, if a particular batch of air carries less fuel with it, then during chemical action, less heat will be generated and the temperature of charge will be close to self-ignition temperature. The chemical delay will be longer. In the main time, more batch of AFM will get collected with this batch, resulting in combustion taking place for all batches at same time. And enormous amount of energy will be liberated that piston is unable to handle, and knocking occurs. Knocking here begins before ignition. A, injection of fuel. B, ignition of fuel. The second stage of combustion is known as uncontrolled combustion. The temperature at end of second stage of combustion is very much above the self ignition temperature. Third stage of combustion, and the temperature at the start of third stage of combustion is very much above self-ignition temperature. Plenty of air under circulation during the third stage of combustion. Thus, the fuel spread in large quantity. The air crosses the fuel spray in different batches. Since temperature of combustion chamber is much above self-ignition temperature, hence combustion takes place for all batch immediately after crossing the fuel spray. Knocking does not take place during the third stage of combustion. In the third stage of combustion is called controlled combustion. Fourth stage, less air is available for combustion, hence fuel supply is also very less. Combustion during the fourth stage takes place from heat transfer after burning the fuel particle. The fourth stage of combustion is known as after burning. Factors affecting knocking in of CA engine: compression ratio. Higher compression ratio will result in higher temperature of charge. Tendency to knock will be less due to reason the compression ratio of diesel is as high as between 16 to 20. Same effect will be seen when inlet valve temperature is higher or supercharger is used. Increasing the speed. Fuel injection, air injection arrangement, fuel tank, this plunger mechanism, plunger toward solid injection engine. Higher engine speed will result in more fuel supplied during the first stage of combustion, hence less fuel will be available during second stage of combustion. Tendency to knock will increase. Thus, diesel engine must be run at low speed. Higher engine load will result in more power and more fuel supplied. The temperature of the charge will be higher. Tendency to knock will decrease. Thus, ideal combination to avoid knocking in diesel engine is less speed and higher load. Atomization: for better atomization, the fuel supply will cover more space. The air particles will take more time to cross fuel spray. The physical lag will be more. Air will carry more fuel with it. Tendency to knock will be reduced. more space, more fuel to go air. Advancing the fuel injection will result in lesser compression, temperature of charge will be less, tendency to knock will increase. Thus, injection of fuel should not be as advanced, it may be retarded. Quality of fuel: standard fuel, normal C10, zero knock, alpha methyl naphthalene, readily knock. Higher the C10 number of diesel fuel, better will be anti-knock. The diesel fuel available in India has C10 number of 40 and 50.